Shanghai Huayuan New Composite Materials Company Limited is a joint venture with a total investment of 32 million USD, specializing in manufacturing the Huayuan brand and a LUCOBST brand metal composite panel series. The company has established itself as a leading manufacturer in the industry. As a company, our Huayuan brand and a LUCOBST brand metal composite panel series are designed to meet the highest standards of quality, durability, and aesthetics. At Shanghai Huayuan New Composite Materials Company Limited, we are dedicated to upholding the highest standards of manufacturing and quality control. LUCOBST composites are ideal for architectural projects because they are lighter in weight, easier to fabricate into complex forms, and easier to install than traditional materials. Also, they offer superior flatness, durability, stability, vibration damping, and easy maintenance. As a company, we are driven by a passion for innovation and a commitment to sustainability. Our copper composite panel, zinc composite panel, stainless steel composite panel, and bimetal composite panel has obtained nearly 100 national patents. In conclusion, Shanghai Huayuan New Composite Materials Company Limited is a company that is dedicated to delivering high-quality, innovative, and sustainable products. With our Huayuan brand and a LUCOBST brand metal composite panel series, we aim to be the preferred choice for customers who value quality, reliability, and environmental responsibility.
FindSupply, a completely non-profit foreign trade service platform.